How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Cooking with Rita and Aiden. Today we're making some crab cake stuffed jumbo shrimp drizzled with
some cowboy butter.
So let's get cooking. First, we're going to need our lump crab, of course, our shrimp. All right, let's go. All right, to get started, we whisk 2 eggs, and then Aiden chopped up some sweet peppers, some jalapenos, some onions, and then added some cloves of garlic and blend everything up and put it back into our eggs.
Now we're going to add the crab in. Mix this in together.
Okay, and to this we're going to add our salt, pepper.
Salt. Old Bay. And some chili pepper. To this we'll add some Dijon. About 2 scoops. In my case, the rest of the bottle. Then we're adding some panko.
Be sure to add a little bit so you could control how much you're putting in. You don't want it to be too dry.
Mayo. Twist and turn. Mayo.
With the mayo, you want to put enough so your crab meat is nice and moist. So we're going to start with that, and if we need more, then we'll add more. All right, now it's time to mix everything together. That looks really good, but I think our consistency is a little bit too watery, so we need a little bit more panko in there. Yep. So when you're finished with this mix, with this process, you should be able to roll those crab cake into a ball or into a crab cake, pretty much, right? All right, for the next step, we're going to move this aside. Well, let's move that aside. Need our shrimp. I will pour, Jay, and you will mix. You don't want to mix? Right. For our shrimp, all we're gonna put in here is some all-bay seasoning, and that's it. We're gonna put a good amount because the all-bay already have salt in here. We have pepper, we have paprika, a whole bunch of different spices, so we should be good on the spices here. Just give that a good mix. If you have some paprika, you could add it to this as well. That's going to bring out more of those colors that you're looking for. But with these shrimp, they're going to turn pink anyways as soon as we get them in the pan. So we're not really worried about paprika. It's already in the all base, so we should be good there, right? Okay, the next step, we're going to make little crab cakes and set them aside so then we could assemble into our shrimp. Okay, so our shrimp are butterflied, so we're basically making the crab cake and putting it on the top and tucking everything in and assemble in the pan. Okay, our pan is full. I don't think we have any more room here, so we're gonna need another pan. But this is smelling and looking delicious here. Let's grab another pan and finish this up, and then we're gonna get it in the oven and move on to our next step. All right, our shrimp is all ready. Let's get that in the oven, and then we are gonna move on to our sauce. Skillet works best.
And a small one.
Yep. So moving on to our sauce. Get right in the pan. To that, we're gonna let it melt down, but we're gonna add some ingredients to it. All right, to our butter, we're gonna add some crushed pepper. A little bit of salt. Not too much, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, good amounts of Old Bay again. Just a quick mix. Lower our butter. Our heat, lower our heat so our butter don't burn. Let's get some garlic in there. You want to crush?
Garlic.
All right, our shrimp is looking good, ready to pull out of the oven. Looking delicious. Have our cowboy butter all mixed and ready to go. We just have to pour over. So we're gonna finish with some lemon juice. Just make sure you get a little bit on everything. And that is it. Now it's time to try. All right, guys, our crab cake jumbo shrimp is finished. It is looking delicious and smelling so good in here. Jay is gonna try one.
Yes.
I want to try one too. Let's get some butter on there. You, Jay?
Cheers.
Cheers. That's a lot. This is so good. Oh my gosh. So good. The lumps of crab in here, so delicious. So good.
Alright, that was really good, guys. The ingredients will be listed in the bottom and in the description. Thank you all for watching. See you on the next one. Like and subscribe.
Be sure to follow and share. If you are looking for another video to watch, we have lots of recipe. I will put one right up here. You guys could check that out. This is a great dish for a special occasion, holiday, in the summertime. I don't think it really matters. You guys try it, like it, let us know what you think, and we'll see you on the next one.